Hello watercolor friends! Today's tutorial is about mixing colors. Let's start with yellow and blue, making green. The more I use blue, the darker the green becomes. Adding a little water. The other way around, the more yellow, it will look paler and just a very light green. Not much yellow here. I'm using just water. Add more yellow to green with a touch of red and we will have moss green. Yellow, red and blue makes brown. To get a darker color, just add more blue. Add water for lighter shading. For a richer brown, use more red. I love turquoise. First add more blue to your green, then yellow for a brighter hue, or white to get a paler color. Let's add yellow and get a vibrant turquoise. Hope you come back and watch my next tutorial, how to paint purple and violet. Ciao for now!